The problem Blume is chasing is not that coding agents are uniquely forgetful. It is that your corrections keep living and dying inside separate chats. The July 24th post says you keep telling your agents the same thing and pitches Blume as the layer that turns those repeated corrections into durable project context instead. The strongest direct proof is still only a few seconds long. In the supplied launch clip, Blume sits beside agent windows, then lands on the Improved tab with automatic improvements enabled and 2 suggestion cards visible. That is enough to prove the product surface exists. It is not enough to claim a full end-to-end correction pipeline was demonstrated. What the sources do make concrete is the kind of output Blume wants you to review. The visible suggestion cards are not abstract analytics. They name a behavior to preserve, a type check rule to add, and a desktop release skill to create, with evidence counts that frame the change as a repeated pattern instead of a one-off guess. That is why the local semantic review matters. It says the clip proves the sidecar view and the suggestion state only. It does not show extraction, clustering, planning, a unified diff, apply, undo, or a verified Codebase result. So this video stays a source-grounded feature review and launch analysis, not a hands-on reliability test. Step back from improvements for a second and the broader product shape becomes clearer. Blume is pitching a narrow desktop sidecar that watches several agent harnesses at once: Cursor, Claude Code, Codex, and Pi. The point is not to replace those tools. It is to keep their hidden files, usage, and recurring corrections visible in one place. The visible tabs also tell you what Blume thinks the problem really is. Agents, setup, usage, and improve sit next to each other because repeated corrections are only one part of the drift. Blume wants to watch the running agents, the hidden guidance files shaping them, the quota they burn, and the suggestions it thinks you should review next. The best part of the homepage is that it does not stay abstract. One example turns 4 repeated verification corrections into a project rule. Another turns a desktop release checklist that kept being re-explained into a reusable skill. Those examples feel credible because they are boring in the right way. They are workflow repetitions, not magical general intelligence claims. Availability is where the local source set stops being perfectly aligned. The current post says corrections can become skills, rules, hooks, and MCPs out now, free and local first. The homepage still marks autofixes as soon. The project specification records the verified stable build as version 1.0.57 released on July 23, 2026, with cross-platform packages present. The first safety boundary is basic but important. Automatic improvements is off by default. The article says you turn it on through configure, choose whether analysis runs in smart timing or when chats go quiet, and pick which connected Claude Code, Codex, or Cursor plan should spend the quota. That makes the first request explicit instead of ambient. The mechanism is also unusually specific for a launch post. Conversations are analyzed through a local pipeline: extraction, clustering, promotion, planning, then suggestion. A scheduler wakes once per minute. Smart timing waits for the last 15 minutes of a quota window, while more than 25% remains. Quiet chats mode moves sooner. That detail is useful because it tells you where the quota and timing trade-offs really live. The best documented part of the workflow is the review surface. A suggestion is supposed to arrive with a title, an evidence badge, operation rows, and a preview that shows a unified diff, the absolute path it touches, and the expected effect. That is a better control surface than a model quietly rewriting memory files, because at least the claimed change is inspectable before disk write. The part one would take most seriously is the target state validation. The documented apply step is all or nothing. A create must not already exist. An update or remove must match exactly what the planner expected. If the file changed underneath it, nothing is written. That is good. The terms still warn that hooks deserve extra review, which is exactly the right caution. Privacy is where the word local first needs the most careful reading. The archive itself is described as local SQLite on your machine. The improvements analysis goes through your connected Claude Code, Codex, or Cursor CLI and spends that provider quota. But the privacy page also says some other features may send relevant portions of conversation data through Blume processing infrastructure for summaries, metadata, usage analysis, and future intelligence features. The same caution applies to cost and permissions. Usage and spend are supposed to be fetched directly from providers and shown locally. The terms say some features consume your third-party plan quota, tokens, or rate limits, and those costs are your responsibility. Credentials may live in local secure storage. Limited pseudonymous telemetry still exists. None of that makes the product bad. It just means the trust boundary is not a one-word slogan. One fact in the spec is worth keeping, even though it is easy to overread. The official Apple Silicon DMG was downloaded, hashed, code-signed, and accepted by Gatekeeper as a notarized developer ID package. That proves packaging discipline. It does not prove the behavior of automatic improvements, the quality of its suggestions, or the exact privacy reality once you enable more cloud-assisted features. So the verdict is narrower than the launch language and more useful because of that. If your real pain is repeated verification, release, and setup corrections across several coding agents, Blume looks promising precisely because it routes those corrections into a review queue instead of another hidden notebook. I would still install it cautiously, leave improvements off first, inspect setup and usage, then enable it on one low-risk project and review the first 3 suggestions by hand.